Be a little bit old school Hank here now. Elijah was a one-billion standing by the door. He'd been moving an Indian bed over in the Atlantic shore. Elijah, just stood there and never let it show, so she could never answer yes or no. He always wore his sandal feathers and carried the tomahawk. The maiden wore her beads and braids and hoped someday he'd talk. Just standing there and never showed a sign. How comes his heart was made of lonely pine? Oh, Elijah, he never got a kiss. Oh, Elijah, he don't know how he missed. I can't even wonder that his face is red. Elijah, that poor old wooden head. Get out of that shit! Oh, and then one day a wealthy customer bought the Indian maid and took her also far away, but old Elijah stayed. Elijah, just standing there as lonely as can be, and wishing he was still an old pine tree.